Hi, I'm Anna from Close to Order and I'm going to be telling you all about the game gear range with a little help from these guys. We're one of the biggest printing and embroidery manufacturers in the UK. We're in our vinyl and Versacam department, which is a method of printing most commonly referred to as the heat press method of printing. In vinyl and Versacam we do a lot with sportswear. One of the ranges we do is called Game Gear, and this is a really good brand. There's a lot of products available for rugby, a lot of shorts as well, and it's a really good brand for playing sport in because it's moisture wicking, fabric's really breathable because it's 100% polyester, and it's really comfortable to wear as you're on the pitch.
We all play for Littleborough UFC, at Ratewood in Rochdale.
We're tackling in that. If you're grabbing by that, obviously you want it to be quite thick. You don't want something thin that's going to rip. Like these seem quite thick, so they won't rip as easy as others.
At Close to Order, we've created over 3 million logos, so customers should come to us instead of going online somewhere else, for example, because we've got a lot of experience and expertise within printing and embroidery. For embroidered logos or designs, we send a proof via email to all of our customers so they get an idea of what it'll look like before it actually goes to production. Every customer will be really happy with their design before they get it because they've approved the proof of the embroidery via email. There's no minimum order at Close to Order, so we could do from 1 or 2 rugby shirts up to thousands of rugby shirts. We've done clothing for Chelsea Football Club and we've done clothing for Tottenham Hotspur as well, so however big or small your sports team is, we can fulfil your needs. We can make them as individual as our customers want. When you place your order online, you can select individual names and numbers. Whether it's a bunch of 10-year-olds running around on a pitch playing rugby, or whether it's a load of guys playing football in an afternoon league on a Sunday, personalised clothing for sports really does bring the team and the community together. If you want to order your sportswear from us, it's really easy to order. Just go on the website www.closetoorder.com, upload your logo and choose your garments and away you go.